Everyone knows prompting is the hardest part of AI video, but ImagineArt just made it way easier. No words needed. Just upload a photo of yourself or anyone, pick a Seedance 2.0 preset and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Watch this. I just pick a style that I like, for example this one, upload my face, this one, and generate. And look at this video. Here I am. Let's see what happens.
The dangerous criminal who escaped from custody earlier today is still at large. Police are urging the public to remain vigilant and report any suspicious activity immediately. This is a dangerous individual. Do not approach.
That was pretty funny. Now let's do the same, but I'll use Sweeney for example. So try effect, upload face. So here is a nice image of Sydney and let's pick that one. Generate. When it starts generating, it basically provides you with a whole detailed and very optimized prompt to create that video. And here's our nice video. Let's see Sydney.
Is considered extremely dangerous and should not be approached. If you see her, please call 911 immediately. The suspect is described as a white female, approximately 5'6", with blonde hair. She was last seen wearing a white tank top and orange pants.
Now that was pretty good. Let's also try, I don't know, so this one looks pretty good. Bathroom mirror aftermath. So let's upload a face. This time I will use modified face of Timothée Chalamet, and I also added this pedaling noise so that this image passes Seedance content policies. And this is our video, so the guy basically looks kind of a mix of Jeremy Allen White and Timothée, I would say so. Oh yeah, I really like the cuts and everything, the overall mood in this little clip, which I can then easily extend, upscale, edit, do all of the things with it. And now we have that viral, interesting transformation inside a bus example. Now I'll leave you with a compilation of dozens of other styles you can create right now. ImagineArt really is the hub for the viral AI content. Take a look.
You're not gonna like the answer.
You've been selling drugs out of your apartment, Mr. Jones.
Oh, I'm sorry.
this all the time during layovers.
And that's it, numerous effects, and they're adding more every single day. Which preset was your favorite? Let me know in the comments and go check out ImagineArt to try it for yourself. And I'll see you in the next one.